Today we study about the vaccines, which is taken from the second lesson of class 8 from science. The basic thing of vaccine is that it strengthens our disease resistance system in our body. As you see here, immunity against a particular disease can be developed by a technique called vaccination. What does it mean? It means that it is a technique from which our body fight against the viruses which comes out from outer side. And another important thing is that if we try to make a vaccine for such targeted diseases, is a number of strategy here. The first strategy to make a vaccine is that weaken the virus. Using this strategy, viruses are weakened so that they reproduce very poorly once inside in our body. For example, measles, chickenpox, German measles, etc. Its strategy is to weaken the viruses so poorly that they cannot reproduce multiply. And the second strategy is that inactivate the virus. Using this strategy, viruses are completely inactivated or killed. It means through this strategy, we eradicate the viruses from this, not only in our body, but also from this world. This is the fourth stage. This is the fourth stage. If we produce a vaccine, it comes at the fourth stage where the viruses are completely eradicated from our world. For example, the vaccines in activated polios, hepatitis A, influenza and rabies. Vaccines are made this way, and these vaccines act in our body so strongly that the virus can be killed in our body. So the vaccination, once again we should know what is vaccination. Vaccination means to strengthen our disease resistance power in our body. A large number of strategy implies here. As you see here, first weaken the virus so that if the virus occasionally comes in our body, they cannot reproduce so rapidly, but it contains, and if it reproduce poorly. And the second strategy, you can see, the inactivate the virus. What does it mean? That it means that type of vaccine can kill the germs who enters in our body. So it is a very important strategy to eradicate the disease from not only from our body but also from the world. Thank you. If you have any doubts in your mind, please write down in comment box. And once again, I suggest you to this channel, subscribe this channel, and what difficulties comes in your way, please write in the comment box. Thank you.